Welcome to Ilanomatics Education Channel. The best quality education.
Do children inherit intelligence from their mothers? Today, we're going to be talking about a question that many people have. Do children inherit intelligence from their mothers? The science of intelligence. Intelligence is a complex trait that is influenced by many factors, including genetics, environment, and nutrition. There is no single gene for intelligence, but there are a number of genes that have been linked to intelligence. These genes are thought to influence the development of the brain and the way that we learn and process information. The role of mothers. Mothers play an important role in their children's intelligence. They provide their children with the nutrients they need to develop a healthy brain, and they also provide them with a stimulating environment that encourages learning. Mothers also play a role in their children's emotional development, which can also affect intelligence. The evidence. There is some evidence to suggest that children inherit intelligence from their mothers. For example, one study found that children who were adopted at birth had IQ scores that were more similar to their biological mother's IQ scores than to their adoptive mother's IQ scores. However, it's important to note that this study only looked at IQ scores, and IQ is just one measure of intelligence. There are many other factors that contribute to intelligence, such as creativity, problem-solving skills, and emotional intelligence. The environment. The environment also plays a role in intelligence. Children who grow up in stimulating environments with supportive parents are more likely to have high IQ scores. This is because they have the opportunity to learn and develop their cognitive skills. Genetics. There is some evidence to suggest that intelligence is influenced by genetics. For example, one study found that identical twins, who share 100% of their DNA, have more similar IQ scores than fraternal twins, who share 50% of their DNA. This suggests that there are genes that influence intelligence. However, it's important to note that genetics is not the only factor that influences intelligence. The environment also plays a role. For example, one study found that children who were adopted at birth had IQ scores that were more similar to their biological mother's IQ scores than to their adoptive mother's IQ scores. This suggests that children may inherit some of their intelligence from their mothers, even if they are not raised by them. Environment. The environment also plays a role in intelligence. Children who grow up in stimulating environments with supportive parents are more likely to have high IQ scores. This is because they have the opportunity to learn and develop their cognitive skills. Some of the environmental factors that can influence intelligence include nutrition. Children who are malnourished are more likely to have lower IQ scores. Education. Children who attend good schools and have access to quality education are more likely to have higher IQ scores. Stimulating activities. Children who are exposed to stimulating activities, such as reading, playing games, and exploring their environment, are more likely to have higher IQ scores. Parental involvement. Children whose parents are involved in their education and their lives are more likely to have higher IQ scores. Conclusion. So, do children inherit intelligence from their mothers? The answer is not simple. There is some evidence to suggest that children may inherit some of their intelligence from their mothers, but the environment also plays a role. Ultimately, the intelligence of a child is determined by a combination of genetics and environment. It is important to remember that intelligence is not a fixed trait. It can change over time, depending on the environment and the opportunities that a child has. So, even if a child does not inherit a high IQ from their mother, they can still develop their intelligence through a combination of good nutrition, education, and stimulating activities. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos.
Thank you for watching. Like, comment, hit the bell like button and subscribe for more quality videos. See you in the next video.